Hello guys, Jeffrey here and welcome to another video. For today we are playing Agro Angyo and I'm going to play this right now. Agro Angyo coming for you. Okay, it's a bit pretty loud. Oh my god. EA. Okay. Highest mass 29, mass heat and 3, source heat and 0. Removal time 9 seconds. Oh my god. Leaderboard times 1 second. Start position 73. It done. There we go. You can play this then. Mm, um, mm. Yes, just okay, do that. And I'm going to play this right and okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Don't eat me. There we go. Okay. Oh my god. That that cell written. That little cell. I know. Oh my. Okay. Lol. Okay. Oh my god. Lol. Hit me up. There we go. We have total score of 245, 246, 200. Oh my god. Bird! Ice Bass 45, Mass Eaten 245, Sauce Eaten 3, Survival Time 1 minute and 57 seconds. Leaderboard time 0 seconds, tapos season 94. Last. And I'm going to go to top 1. It. Yeah. There we go. Eat that. Eat that. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. There we go. There we go. Woo! Okay, they are teammates. Jump up. Ads. Okay. So safe. Okay, not dead. Okay. Not dead. Not dead. Okay, there we go. We have total of 900 and 100 cells and mass for your score. It's the little cell and I'm going to the top. Okay, we are on the top 45 of leaderboard. Going to the top of 5. Top 5. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Okay, 13. Oh my god! Guys, we are done. If you enjoyed that video, leave a like or hit that like button that is if you enjoy and not and See you on the next video. Goodbye.